Yeah, so this is the wrong way to put a mirror on. This is just a, I don't know where they got this, but this is a side mirror. It's sort of a botch job right there. Hey everybody, it's me, Russ. I'm at Braven Metals, gonna look for a mirror for Vinny the van. Another wrecking yard hunt, yes. Look at that. Little munch in the front. Mirror looks like it's in good shape. So body panel tools. Use that to pop the tabs on this guy here. Fish this thing off of here. And do I need two hands even? Apparently so. So I found it a lot easier to pull this all the way over, and then you can pop this out on the tabs there. 1, 2, 3. All right, so yeah, I just popped it out. It's got these little tabs right there in those places. Comes right off. Bring my good old multi-bit set from work. T27. That is a T27. Removes these bolts. 1, 2, 3 underneath. And it looks like because it was an accident, it's been tweakified a little bit here. It has 3 bolts. All right, so I'm gonna see how easily I can reach up in there. If not, I might have to splice it and then crimp it back together. All right, under the dash. That should be short enough. Come on. And couldn't find the pigtail.
A lot of blood, sweat, and tears went into making this program, some of which may appear on screen in the form of graphic content. Viewer discretion is advised.
I got it! Didn't use a wire cutter. I brought my knife, so I ended up cutting myself. But that's how it goes sometimes. Dang it. Well, shoot. Vinny the van, moving the cargo. Remove this. All right, so this is, yeah, like that. Now it's just a matter of finding the pigtail. Yeah, he just stuffed these down in. Oh, wow, that's not good. I'm surprised this thing doesn't have electrical problems, all those wires shorting out. Well, we're gonna crimp it back together and see if this thing actually works. Put a wire nut on there. Wow. I mean, hey, you got to do what you got to do to get to work the next day, all right? I'm not trying to be mean to a guy who's just trying to get by, you know, but this is, we have a YouTube now, so you're welcome. So we are crimping this back together. I'll be excited if it works. You never know. I was going to put shrink wrap on it, but I'm betting Vinny's engine's going to go out before these corrode and stop working, to be honest. Oh, by the way, check it out. My finger's healing up. This was like a week ago when I cut it open. Neosporin, baby. Tell you what. So upon further inspection, I guess, is that an orange wire? I can't tell if there's a color in there, but both of these have the same. I hope that doesn't matter. Maybe they're just both grounds. I don't know. But they both have the same markings. Little dots on them. I don't know. We're just gonna roll the dice. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, sure. And stuff them in there. Yeah, stuff the box there. And we got the screws. And T27. There's that one. There we go. A little longer. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna hold much anyway, but Let's see that one right there. You know what? I think 2 is good enough. Yeah, that guy pops right in there somehow. You see there's little teeth in here too. And then that one up there.
Well, I think this has to be straightened out.
Oh, there you go.
No, maybe not. Maybe not.
Yeah, I gotta line up. This may be the biggest challenge of all.
There we go.
Did it pop?
Just that little bit there. You can push it in with like a little screwdriver or something.
Yeah. That screwdriver. I think it's in there. Right? Oh, there it goes.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Ha ha! That looks much better. There we go. All right, here we go. Roll the window down. Moment of truth. All right, see if that guy works. Ha ha! We've got mirror, ladies and gentlemen. We've got mirror functionality. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. Give me 5. Got her done. Again, less than $20. What does this thing cost on partsmopar.com? I don't even want to know. But this is a recycled part. And here we are. This is Vinny the van, all right? Vinny can handle it. Vinny will be fine. So there you go. Wrecking yard mirror, $20.
Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video?
Save money on parts and recycle. Yes. Different when I come in here. Hey, look, there's an old Jag. Ooh, look at that. We don't have the Jag anymore, but when we did, this would have been a gold mine. What year it is. There it is, the big old bulletproof straight 6. It's got all the intake stuff still attached. Look at that.
Probably in front of that Ford, maybe.
How these door latches are doing. Oh, they're fried. Wow, still got the stereo and everything. Some good parts, same interior. This is a 90, I'm guessing 90, 91. Does it say on here somewhere? 89, it's an 89, same year. Here's Alston's Jag. There's the adjacent cars, a tripod. So, let's see if I can.
There's also a wire in here I need to be mindful of.
Okay, let's find the 05. Let's see if it's different. That's not good. Mine only has 2 bolts holding it on. At least that's what I figured, I thought. 10 and 11, so this is 11. Ooh, look at that. There's an old Grand Prix SE. Nice, 94. Ford Taurus. See a lot of those. That Escalade's still here. I think that was here last time I was here. Where's the other Caravan? Is that it? Another Jaguar. Ouch. T-bone. Mercedes. That must be my 95. Driver's side mirror still attached. Glass is still good. All right, so the pigtail was cut on this one, and this is broke off. This one as well, so back to the 07.
Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!